Welcome back guys, today we're gonna see how to download and install Free Fire on your PC. Firstly, go to the BlueStacks website and download the application or for your PC. Launch the BlueStacks emulator, then sign in to your Google account to access the Play Store. If prompt, allow all necessary permissions. Now open Google Play Store inside the emulator, then search for Garena Free Fire. Then click Install and wait for the game to download. Once installed, click on the Free Fire icon on your emulator's home screen. Log in using your Free Fire account like Facebook, Google or guest account. Now use the emulator key mapping feature to customize your controls for movement, shooting, aiming, etc. Most emulators come with pre-configured control presets for Free Fire which can adjust your preferences. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.